Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I will be making lasagna. Now, I know that lasagna typically takes a good amount of time to make, but this lasagna, it is a lazy lasagna. So it is super fast and easy. It is a perfect meal for those busy weeknights. Only uses just a few ingredients and you can just whip it together in no time at all. So I'm going to go over these ingredients with you as I make it. But the full recipe will be in the description box below. But let's get started because it's time to get cooking. To a large skillet, I'm going to add my ground beef. All right, and I'm just using some jarred marinara sauce. I'm going to add that to my beef. Use your favorite, whatever kind that you like. And I have filled my jar up with water, not all the way, about halfway. I'm going to add that. So then I have some egg noodles. I told you guys this is lazy. So I'm going to add the egg noodles. This is a pound of egg noodles. I'm probably not going to add all of them. Probably add about 3/4 of the bag. All right, then I'm going to cover this and let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the noodles are done and tender. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of my homemade ricotta cheese, but you could also use cottage cheese. So I'm going to stir in that ricotta. And then I'm going to sprinkle with 2 cups of mozzarella all over top. Now you could transfer this to a baking dish, spread your mozzarella and just bake it until that cheese melts. But I'm feeling super lazy today, so I'm just going to put the cheese on top, cover it back up, and just let this cook for a couple more minutes until that cheese is melted. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Look at that, lazy lasagna. All right, so this is so simple. It's almost embarrassing, but it's also very delicious. It has the flavors of lasagna, but it's all made in one skillet. It's so easy, so delicious. And you can have this on your dinner table in like 15 minutes tops. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.